Manatee 1736, we call her Harper Lee. She came in because she was entangled in a crab trap, and so that line had affected her. It actually amputated her pectoral, and she had some very deep wounds that we needed to treat and get the infection under control. A lot of people are going to ask us why we are returning an animal in the middle of winter into quote-unquote cold water. We work with FWC and we monitor water temperatures, and we release these manatees in warm water inlets. And so this is a very natural thing for them to be in, are these warm water estuaries. When rescues happen, it's not just SeaWorld doing it. It's FWC, which is Florida Wildlife Conservation, and we do partnerships with the Jacksonville Zoo. So the state works together, and it's an entire group. So we are constantly helping each other out, doing partnerships so that we can better care for the needs of manatees.